Hello, Jan. How are you
Hello.
today?
Hello, I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
Thank you very much for joining and for your time today. I know that we are looking for senior software engineer to join our team in Kraków Development Center office in Poland. So just wanted to confirm with you really basic things, who we are looking for, what's the project about, and what are the challenges. So first question is, what's the ideal profile of the candidate?
Yes, okay. So we are looking for Java backend developers with some experience in developing cloud-based applications in a microservices architecture. Just generally, our ideal candidate is someone who has a couple of years of proven development record. However, we are also open for fresh talents. That is, good Java knowledge is the must. However, if a potential candidate does not meet all the technical criteria, but is, open-minded, enthusiast, willing to learn, definitely will consider such an application. So summarizing, ideal candidates is Java-based developer, understanding microservices architecture, having practical experience in developing and deploying applications in cloud. We use Amazon One and Guidewire. Also, having experience in troubleshooting such cloud-based applications is a plus. So, though we are looking for backend developers, our products are exposed to external customers, not only via API, usually the backends, but also as web applications. So some knowledge of UI development is a big plus. For front-end development, we use React, which is a JavaScript library. It's worth mentioning that most of the development is for backend. However, the UI development is a small but important part. So just this is the experience of a candidate, generally Java-based.
Perfect.
So a little bit more about the project. Did I?
Yeah, if you just could go on, that would be great.
Sure. So our project is kind of a core of the Guidewire portfolio. That is, Guidewire is responsible for developing insurance suite applications, and our project is about delivering to our customers a platform. This platform is called GWCP, which is Guidewire Cloud Platform, that allows our clients to build, deploy, and run insurance suites applications in Amazon Cloud. So we are hiding the AWS complexity, and we give to our customers a set of API as well as UI, as I mentioned, to do, as I said, building, deployment, and running the applications. However, apart from insurance suites deployments, we are also responsible for development of the features that allow our clients to perform database backups and database restorations. This is also a key element of the platform. But it's worth mentioning that we are not looking for database engineers. Our purpose is to have someone with a general knowledge of a database. So just we are looking for developers with some general knowledge of database as a nice to have.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you very much. And what about the challenges in the project?
Yes. So our main challenge is this, that I mentioned. The project that we are working for is a core component of the whole Guidewire Cloud Platform. So the microservices that our team is designing and developing are orchestrating most of the platform features, which makes us very visible and recognizable. So this is the opportunity to meet other teams, but also creates a challenge because we are, let's say, on a critical path for some other teams. So usually we have more work than we can accomplish.
Okay.
And we have to somehow tackle it. The other challenge, also important, is that the adoption of our platform is growing and growing. So just we have to really carefully look at the stability, which is a key factor in our work. So we now look very closely at the architecture, and we would like to make it more resilient for scaling. So we invest a lot in testing, especially end-to-end testing, and invest in monitoring of the just whole system. So this is a very interesting moment to join our team because designing and building applications that are supposed to run at scale are challenging but very creative work. So two challenges.
Perfect. Yeah, that sounds really interesting. So I'll be keeping fingers crossed for finding the best candidate and obviously having the interviews with you as well. Thank you very much for your time, Jan, and speak to you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.